You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hey there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we have a new Cricut mystery box for you. And this time, we get a new cutie. I'm very excited for this cutie because it's one of my favorite colors. I mean, I haven't looked at it yet, but by the name of it, it's going to be one of my favorite colors. So this is Cricut's Nautical Prism mystery box. And I know you guys want to know what's the new color. So let's go ahead and take a look. He's so pretty. This is the new Aqua Green Cutie. He's so pretty. He's almost Tiffany blue. It's really close to the Tiffany color. If anything, maybe a little more aqua than the Tiffany blue. He's definitely a lot lighter than the True Teal, which I just looked for my True Teal and he's missing. Which makes me think I might have dropped it and like Lucy Lou got it. I will go ahead and throw a side-by-side comparison right here since I do have a picture of my True Teal and I can put a picture of the new Aqua Green. But he's beautiful. He's a beautiful spring color too. Very Eastery. Very Eastery. This is definitely going to be one of my favorite colors. I love anything teal, aqua, pinks, purples. Those are all my faves. So I was so excited when I seen this one was called Aqua Green. And he did not disappoint. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. We are getting one Cricut trap hat. We are getting one Cricut trucker hat. And so you can go ahead and use this with Cricut iron-on. You can also use it with infusible ink and go ahead and press on the hat, but it's a snapback trucker hat. And then this is really cool. We're getting a Cricut Materials Value Pack. So you're getting 4 sheets of premium removable vinyl in the 12x12, and the colors those are gonna come in are pink flamingo, silver, blue calico, and black. And on the back of the box here, it's gonna show you what all. And then on the back here, it's going to show you what all is included in the Materials Value Pack. You are going to get 4 12x12 sheets of permanent vinyl removable in pink flamingo, silver, blue calico, and black. 3 sheets of 12x12 iron-on in gold, bright teal, and cornflower. You're going to get 4 sheets of transfer tape, 12x12 sheets to go ahead and transfer the vinyl. And love the holographic, we are getting 2 12x12 sheets of the holographic opal and pink. And we're getting 2 sheets of Sports Flex iron-on 12x12, and that will be in the red and the silver. And the Sports Flex iron-on is good for those athletic materials like polyester and nylon. And we're also getting a weeder. You can always use another weeder. And when you pull it out, this is what it looks like inside. This is really nice because this gives you quite a bunch of different stuff to work with, and you have some iron-on to go ahead and put on the hat. Something else we can always use, another premium fine point blade. This will work in the Explorer and the machine, the Explorer and the Maker machines. The Venture and the Joys do use a different blade than this, so just note that. And we're getting a pack of foil transfer insert cards. And these are going to be 4.25 by 5.5 inches. And this is the Blue Lagoon sampler. Very pretty colors in here. So in here, you're going to get everything to make 8 of these cards. You're going to get 4 of the Midnight Blue and then 4 of this beautiful deep teal color. Which, Cricut, I need more of this color. This color right here. Love it. It's like my favorite color. We need it. Wait. And for the inserts, you're going to get powder blue, which just does look kind of white or gray here, but it's a very light baby blue. This is silver holographic, but this is a matte holographic. So instead of the super shiny, it's matte, but it still gives you the very pretty holographic sheen to it. And then it will also come with 8 envelopes to go ahead and mail your cards. Oh, that's not all that it comes with because it's a foil transfer kit. You also get, I was like, something's missing. Also gonna get 4 each of gold and then silver of the foil transfer. And for the foil, you will use the foil transfer tool. And then to do the insert, you put them on the Cricut card mat. So we're really super pretty. And it looks so good with like, love the blues and the greens with the gold. And something I'm super duper excited is in here. And I'll tell you why as soon as I show it to you. We are getting Cricut, my favorite cardstock by far. Cricut cardstock 12x12. You're gonna get 24 sheets. And this is in the basic sampler. In it, you're gonna get 6 of the white, 6 of the cream, 6 gray, and then the 6 of the black. And one reason I say we're so lucky we're getting this is because on Cricut site right now, they are sold completely out of the basic in 12 by 12 and 12 by 24. And they're completely sold out of the big white. Like you cannot get white cardstock right now on Cricut. It's sold out. So I was super excited to see that we're getting a pack of this in the box. I don't know about you, but I stockpile the stuff. When it goes at like 50% off, I'm buying like 5 of them because I do not want to run out. So very happy to get that in this box. So that is everything that is in Cricut's. So that is everything that is in Cricut's Nautical Prism mystery box. And because we got our beautiful, beautiful cutie, it is for Access members only. But there are links below to purchase the box, not only purchase, but to go ahead and join Access. And if you're new to mystery boxes, people collect these cuties, and different ones are rare and go for more. But I will say when there's a new cutie, they do sell out quickly, like very, very quickly. So go ahead. We appreciate when you use our links below. And also in the links below, we are giving away a Cricut Bright 360 lamp bundle. That is only open till the 28th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern, and you can enter up to 3 times per day. So make sure you go ahead and go over to that. I will put the link below. And that is in our Cricut Design Space Facebook group. So if you're not a member of that group yet, make sure you go there because we have giveaways posted in there all the time. We also have our February crafting challenge going on, where one person will win $25 on an Amazon e-gift card or sent to their PayPal. And we have more giveaways coming. We always have different giveaways going on. So make sure and join that group so you can get entered into those giveaways. So thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it greatly when you watch. Leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think of the box. What you think of the new cutie color. Give us the like and go ahead and hit subscribe wherever it is. That way when we have new videos come out, you will get alerted. And we will let you know as soon as the mystery box drops, which these things have sold out in like 20 minutes before. So getting that notification can be important to securing you the cutie. I feel like he's going to be very popular. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys next time. Bye guys. Happy crafting.